Welcome to our graduation cap making video. To make your graduation cap, you'll need construction paper, scissors, glue, and maybe a stapler. The first thing you'll have to do is get some long construction paper, and you'll fold it in half, and then you'll cut it in half. This is a great exercise to do together. It's going to take some coordination, and cutting in this way may take some time, but you'll notice that the edges can be a little jagged. They don't have to be perfect and straight. The goal of this is to create two pieces, and we'll talk about what you'll do with those pieces later. So once you cut your construction paper in half, you're going to fold it in half again, as you can see, to make sure that you have two equal strips or two sort of equal strips. You can see that the paper is not totally lined up, but again, that's okay because most of the imperfections are going to be hidden. The next step is to fold it once again, not completely in half. So you want to fold it just to give like a little lip at the top. See, there's a little lip. Press it down pretty well because you're going to move that back and forth, and that's actually going to become the base of the graduation cap. You're going to take a pair of scissors and snip little pieces across that small fold that you made. And they don't have to be exactly a measured distance, because what you're going to eventually do is take this and bend it. So you just make sure that if you cut it, it'll make it easier to bend. Take the second strip and as much as possible, line the cuts up. Eventually you'll put the pieces together and put it around your child's head and measure it to make sure that it'll fit. Ta-da! This is why you can use a stapler. It just will stick faster and hold a little bit stronger. Next, you'll take a regular piece of construction paper and place it right on top. Easy, right? So push down to make sure that that little lip that you created will stick to the graduation cap. Now granted, these are not going to be high-end Saks Fifth Avenue graduation caps. They're a little bit delicate, and you're not going to be able to decorate them until they are dry. But this is a good time for your children to press down and be an active part in helping us celebrate them. Look at that, nice. So the hat's all done. Now all that's left is decorations. You can put any decorations you want to celebrate your child's passage into kindergarten. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get notified every time we post a new video.